If you have ever applied for a student visa, you know the drill. Forms, interviews, bank statements, waiting. Now imagine doing all of that every year. That's what international students in the US might soon fix. Thanks to a sweeping new policy in President Trump's 2025 domestic bill. This is the latest episode in our series Unpacking Trump's Policy Agenda, and this one's about students. First, the foundation is shifting. Under current rules, students on F, M, and J visas can stay in the US as long as they're enrolled full-time. Simple, right? But Trump's bill straps this in favor of fixed-term sticks, meaning students who would need to apply for visa extensions repeatedly, even during the same degree. This hits students from countries like India and Pakistan, which sends hundreds of students to the US every year, especially hard, adding cost, paperwork, and uncertainty. There's more. The president has suspended new foreign student visas at Harvard University, citing national security concerns and what he calls foreign influence and radicalism. Existing Harvard students could also face visa revocation under the policy unless they qualify for national interest exemptions. This does not apply to all universities but Harvard. Trump's bill doubles down with travel bans on 12 high-risk countries and tighter rules on 7 more. That's nearly 20 nationalities facing major barriers to US education access. Critics say the bans target Muslim-majority nations and punish students for where they're born, not who they are. The crackdown is not just for new students, it's hitting those already there. Since early 2025, hundreds of student visas have been revoked, even from top institutions like Columbia and Harvard. Visa interviews are being paused or delayed, and some universities expect a 50% drop in international enrollments this year. And then there's the surveillance. All student visa applications now face enhanced vetting, including background checks, social media reviews, and even ideological screening. The goal is to identify perceived security risks. In short, Trump's 2025 bill is making it much harder for overseas students to study in the United States. This video is part of our series covering the impact of Trump's policy bill. Don't forget to check out explainers on taxes, healthcare, immigration, and more.